Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
UTI. In patients with UTI, clot medium is preferred over McConkie agar because this clot medium will support the growth of Staphylococcus and Candida. So if you see the differences between clot and McConkie, if you just see it, so McConkie will inhibit the growth of all gram-positive bacteria including Staphylococcus and Candida, whereas clot will promote the growth of Staphylococcus and Candida. So, and this is also preferred to use, you can also use urine samples here. Both these will inhibit the growth of, both these will inhibit Proteus swarming, whereas both these will promote the growth of Pseudomonas. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.